What's good, family? It's Wealth Whispers again, bringing you some more solutions for today's financial mess. Today, we're going to be tackling investing. For a beginning investor, your tendency to buy and sell should not be hedged on three different things. Okay, meaning you should not be investing at all if you're in these different ways. Okay, number one, you should not be chasing trending stocks, because we are as a beginning investor, you should be looking to buy and hold for long periods of time. You should be looking at companies that you're trustworthy, that you shop at, that you're a consistent client of, and you should be looking to buy in ownership of the stock by way of buying the stock over periods of time and holding the stock for periods of time. Okay, that's number one. Number two, initially, because we are doing a buy and hold strategy, because we're looking to grow our portfolio over time and over years of investing, you dang well should not be leveraging in order to invest. What leveraging is, long and short, is that you should not be borrowing any money at all in your investment account or otherwise in order to invest. If you do not have extra funds or funds set aside to invest in whatever it is that you decide to invest in, don't invest until you can afford to distribute funds of which you will not need later, meaning you do not buy it now and need that money returned to you in a week, or you have enough funds to where your extra play money goes to that. That's why our emergency fund and our investment fund are not the same. They're not the same. So number one, don't buy trending stocks. Number two, we do not borrow to invest. And number three, we invest with our extra, not our last. Okay, those are three beginning investment mistakes that will either A, have you start investing and quickly stop, B, have you lose money and be in the hole. And that's it. That's a wrap, people. It has been another amazing conversation with Wealth Whispers. My name is Ryan. Some people call me Soul. I appreciate this conversation. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know on the bottom. Please like and subscribe if you want to continue hearing this information as far as basic personal finance options and opportunities that anyone over 18 can do and take advantage of. I look forward to our next conversation.